Today we are baking something simple, delicious and sustainable. Let's start with 1 glass of refined wheat flour. Next, melt 1 packet of Amul butter, that's 100 grams. While it melts, add half a tablespoon of salt, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder into the flour. Mix it all well. Now, take a handful of almonds and cashew nuts. Chop them roughly. Everything we are using here is pure and natural. No chemicals, no preservatives. This is how we make food at home, simply, lovingly, and sustainably. Grind them into a slightly coarse powder. Now add the nut powder to the flour and mix well. Pour in the melted butter and slowly start forming the dough. We believe in slow living, creating things with our own hands, using clean and real ingredients. This is how we begin sustainability, one small step at a time. If needed, use just a little milk to bring the dough together. This is how we do it at Neev, making food with our own hands, slowly, naturally, and joyfully. Living sustainably doesn't always mean big changes. It begins here, with one homemade cookie at a time. This is just one small step towards sustainable living, and we'll keep sharing more of our journey here at Neev, where life is handmade, mindful, and full of love. Take a piece of butter paper, roll the dough into small rounds and shape them by hand. Use a fork to press a simple pattern on top. It adds beauty to simplicity. Now, roll out a larger piece of dough. By choosing to make even small things like cookies at home, we say no to plastic packaging, harmful additives, and unnecessary waste. Trim the edges into a rectangle. And cut it into small squares. Sustainable living isn't far. It begins right here in our kitchens with intentions and care. Place them neatly on butter paper and add the same fork design. Cookies are ready. fresh, golden, and made with real love. Taste the difference of homemade. Stay connected with us as we continue sharing more ways to live simply and sustainably. If you found this video helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.